We are in Whananaki, going to Whananaki Footbridge, which is the longest footbridge in Southern Hemisphere. It is low tide, so sea level is low, so I'm not sure we can see stingrays and any other sea creatures today. There's a campsite here. We are not lucky again, but tide has just started coming, so maybe in 1 hour this river will be full of water. Sorry, it's 395 meters, I said it's 394. Normally, this area must be covered with water, but tide is just coming. So today lowest tide is 9 a.m. Time is about 10:30. So highest tide is at 3 o'clock. So at 3 o'clock this river will be full. But in 1 hour, I think it will be good enough to take good pictures. But we don't have time. So I don't expect the water to come back when we cross the bridge back. There is only one room, maybe 2 people. If I lean back. Maybe I can give way to someone else. As a gentleman, I'll give way. Especially I like this place. Do you like it? It's beautiful. Water is just coming. It's maybe in 1 hour. Here, this river will be full. I think there's a passing lane in the middle. Was a bike. I don't know what I should do. Thank you.
That wasn't safe. And then the one's going, what do you mean it's not safe?
Let's go to the other side. So that side is Whananaki South, and this side is Whananaki North. So here people give way to each other, as we did. Go to the other side. There's another passing lane. So we should go there before them to give away. I thought it was boring. No, it's not just a beach. See people, a lot of traffic. To be honest, it's a long walk. It's almost half a kilometer. So we didn't come from south because south is the roads are not good. Gravel road, also no parking, just these guys. middle. How you feel? You crossed the longest footbridge of the Southern Hemisphere. How do you feel? Good?
Yes.
This is the fibre reactor. I can't pronounce that. It's if someone has a heart attack, they break the glass. I think there is another one in this hall, town hall. Ah, cat, black cat. Looks like she's lost. She is lost. I hope it will be okay because the cat's wandering around. There's another cat encounter in New Zealand. We had one in Istanbul. Kuzgunca? No, don't be scared. She's friendly.
Bu tarafa gidecek miyiz?
Hayır.
Kedi çocuklarla oynuyor bak.
Evet. Oh my god, it looks like the tide is going, not coming. I checked the table, but it looks like here is different. It's kind of local variance. We are not lucky for not a good timing. We had the same problem when we were in Venice canals in LA, Los Angeles. So I know tide is coming in the afternoon, but we are going to Whale Bay after this, so I can't spend whole day here. So we go back. Nice to meet you.